Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's UG here, of course, and the reason why I'm all giddy and laughing is because I'm about to apologize for not being consistent once again. You guys know life has been lifing, man. Life has just been doing its thing. So every time I come back here, for every new video that I try to post, I end up apologizing for not being consistent. I'm not going to stop apologizing anyway until I'm finally consistent. But I just want to assure you guys that this YouTube thing is something that I'm never giving up. Yeah, no matter how slow it gets, no matter how I suck at being consistent, no matter how much I suck at consistency, it's something I'm never going to give up. So I'm going to apologize as many times as possible. But yeah, the last time that I said to my WhatsApp guys that I was going to shoot a video, it was I think about 3 months ago. I put up this anonymous thing on my WhatsApp and I said people should send in their questions. Thank you all for sending your questions. I really appreciate, but I'm not going to be making that video, not because I didn't get questions. In fact, I got tons of questions, but most of them were rude and most of them were insensitive and most of them were just weird questions. I thought about just posting the screenshots just like that, but I just thought, why feed something that is not just worth it? So I'm not going to be making that video, but maybe just one time I might just, I don't know, but I'm not going to be making that video because people kept asking weird questions and I don't think that questions like that should be put out there. Yeah, but let's see how that goes. I still have the questions because I think that maybe I might just change my mind, but I still have the questions, and maybe one day when I'm comfortable enough I can make videos like that, but not now. So this video is just like we just finished like an exam that was supposed to last for about 2 weeks that ended up lasting for 2 months, and this is, if I don't want to over exaggerate, I would say it lasted for about a month and some weeks. So that's just about 2 months. So I'm exhausted and I've not had like good sleep because, you know, like I said at the beginning of this video, life has been lifing. But I'm going to be having some time off school for a few days. And I'm like, okay, even if it's just for this weekend, let me give you guys a sneak peek into my life in the weekend. I know that I've done like a typical day in my life. I don't think I've done a week, but I've done a day. I've done a day, in fact, many times, but I've not done like a whole week. But I want to do like a weekend. A weekend is about 3 days. Today is Friday, so we're going to start today. It's about 11 a.m. in the morning, and because I slept like really late, I just woke up and I'm not going to be doing anything of any sort today. I'm just going to be at home and just try to rest. Yes, so I'm just starting this video now out of courtesy. I'm going to jump in the shower now and take my bath, and then maybe after bathing I'll see you guys. But yeah, welcome back to my channel. Please like this video, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, and let's go see what a typical weekend in my life looks like. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Just come along. So welcome back to my channel, guys. It's about 6 a.m. here and out for my run. Today is Saturday. I don't know how I ended this vlog yesterday, but then I slept like really late. I slept I think about 2 a.m. and And today is Saturday and I want to go for my run. It's quite peaceful around here. I'm ready. I have my shorts on. I don't know if you can see that. But I have my shorts on and I have my running jeans and I'm ready. So I'll see you later. Saturday, and I just finished the chores at home and I'm heading to Nivea. I'm going to the teaching hospital at Nivea. I have a cousin who's admitted there. He's been there for about 2 weeks now, so I'm heading there. And Saturday in Oka here is busy. Saturdays are usually busy in Oka, and I don't know why. I think that people work like more on Saturday than every other day or something. I don't know. So we're heading out at 1:22 p.m. and I hope to get there before 3 p.m. so that we can get back to work early enough. So yeah, that's how my Saturday is going. How did yours go? Maybe you can tell me in the comment section. On my way to the teaching hospital at Nivea, I stopped at Locs to get some supplies for my cousins who are admitted there. And I saw this beautiful book, Ikigai. I've searched all over for it and I'm so blessed to have found it without having to order it and having to pay extra for delivery fees. So that happened and I was glad. I just stopped by to get like some supplies for them at the hospital, food, bread, Dettol and stuff. And the queue was crazy because it was Saturday, as you can see here. I was even complaining crazy at the background. So yeah, this happened as well on Saturday. So I got back from Nivea and I had noodles for dinner. I think it's stir-fry noodles because I had vegetables and sausages, and here I'm trying to make it. So if you need a tutorial on this, you can hit me up in the comment section and I'll surely do a separate video showing you how I made these delicious noodles with egg. So yeah. Hi guys, hope you all can hear me though. There's this generator here making noise. So today's Sunday and it's about 6:11 a.m. in the morning and I'm out for my run. I know I'm supposed to be in church, but I'm supposed to take out these cornrows today and then make my hair. It's been so long, I've not done like a proper hair in about 2 months. So the girl is supposed to come to the house today to make the hair for me. So that's why I'm not going to church this morning, but I'll probably go in the evening. So I'm just out to take my morning run. Everywhere is peaceful and I don't know. Our area here has like this hill that you have to climb up and then down. And so taking a run here is not even usually as fun as it's supposed to be. To be honest, very hectic, but then it's good for my thighs, so I'm doing it regardless. So yeah, good morning. What did you do on Sunday? Did you go to church? Tell me in the comment section. I'll see you all later. Bye. China is going to be making my hair today. China, say hi. So we're going to be making these Faux locks. We have like a couple of bags. So she's trying to fix that up. Beauty is here as well. Birthday girl. Beauty has a birthday. Thursday, ba?
On Thursday.
Yes,
and I need a surprise from you people. Money cake.
So as I was saying, shut the fuck up. So as I was saying, we're going to club and drink and smoke weed and be high. But you say you don't keep like 200k down.
Kindness all through.
I dey tell you, that's the spirit.
Smoking, drinking, partying,
and
rocking,
who?
touching.
Hi guys, so I'm halfway done with this hair and it's very quick. I think I've been sitting for about 40 minutes now, so we're almost done. And this is like the best choice that I could have made, because I didn't want something that would take so much time and still be like really painful. This one is just crocheting and it's lightweight and all. So I used this Nivea Locs, Faux Locs. I think you can find them on Instagram at Zuto Hair. Maybe I'll put the link like down in the description box if you need to do something like this. I think this one is 18 inches, so it's lightweight and it's reusable. So almost done. Can't wait. Like, I've been wanting to do my hair since, like, I'm just glad that this one is over with. Hey guys, so I'm going to end this vlog here, and I want to thank you guys for sticking with me. This is the end result of the Faux Locs I did. I hear that Faux Locs get pretty as they age, and let's see if this one will age well. I'll be putting the link for the page or the handle, the Instagram handle where I got the hair from. I used them on 6 packs, and this is Nivea Locs, 18 inches. I've forgotten the color code, but then one pack is 3.5 and I think I used 6 packs. So yeah, I'll be ending this vlog here. Thank you for sticking with me. I said that before. It's about 4 p.m. on Sunday, and I don't think I'll be doing any other thing today. Please, if you haven't liked this video at this point, I don't know what you're waiting for. Are you the enemy to my progress? Please don't be the enemy to my progress. Like my videos, please. If you haven't subscribed, what can I do to make you subscribe? Tell me in the comment section. I'm ready to do anything. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can get updates and notifications on more interesting stuff that we're up to over here. So I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Beauty is still here, so we're saying bye from this end too.
Hi, bye guys.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Bye.